The U.S. Navy sent a nuclear sub to the deepest trench on Earth, but at 36,000 feet down, their radars locked onto an impossible structure. It wasn't a mountain. It was a massive, alien craft, pulsing with unknown energy. And it just woke up. Now the hull is cracking. Forget outer space. The real danger is right here on Earth, at 36,000 feet below, the surface inside the absolute black void of the Mariana Trench. Deep inside the rift, a massive, illuminated underwater portal began to open, revealing a glowing ancient structure hidden beneath the ocean floor. As the drone's mechanical arm reached out to touch a mysterious, floating orb, an intense energy burst triggered changing deep-sea exploration forever. Inside the glowing orb, biomechanical alien life form awoke, staring back at the drone. Suddenly, a colossal hidden mothership activated, piercing the dark ocean with blinding light. Naval forces rushed to the coordinate, but by the time the was gone, leaving only bubbles in the deepest trench on Earth. Military submarine arrived, the ancient anomaly. A mysterious blue beam shot out from the surface, piercing the night sky, confirming what government agencies had feared for decades: an intelligent, alien presence. Classified documents reveal that these are not UFOs from outer space, but USOs, underwater, submerged, objects hiding under our noses. A tech this advanced could rewrite human history or end it completely. Are they preparing to reveal themselves or dragging our secrets into the deep?